Well, hello YouTubers, this is Intellitronix manual for the 1982 or 1978 to 1987 El Camino or G-body vehicles. Picked off of eBay. My circuit board was at the back of my panel was destroyed due to its age, as well as the speedometer, fuel, and oil pressure gauge. So it was cheaper to go this route than head to buying used off of the eBay or whatnot. It would have cost me an arm and a leg to get the original dash all working, whereas this was $250 for a remanufactured one from them. It comes with a lifetime warranty, so you have nothing to worry about. What you'll need to do before opening up your dashboard is you need to grab scissors, tape, marker or Sharpie, an eraser, and a ruler. You need zip ties, and go on to AutoZone Repair Guide for wiring diagrams for your particular vehicle. This one here is for the El Camino or G-body vehicles. You flip through your manual. No pretty pictures, just a lot of writing. So I ended up gathering all the information for the back of the connectors off of Amazon, off of AutoZone.com, and wrote it out like this. That's all the side from the vehicle. From the Intellitronix side, there is all your wires and where they go to. Once I gathered all that, if you look right at the back of the Intellitronix, it has all the connectors and where they go to written right on the board. If you can see it. For me it was too hard to see, so I got a jeweler's thing that I had kicking around, magnifying glass. This is set up for kilometers and metric watering station right there. I labeled each water to what they were listed on the Intellitronix manual or what they were listed on the back of the board. I ended up going to the wreckers and picking up a connector that I will be soldering and shrink wrapping each of these wires to. It came out of the back of a BMW, and it's got a whole whack of wire leads. So this here I'll be able to easily disconnect from my vehicle and take it out, no problem. It will be a simple wiring harness. I can take it out if I want to sell it or sell the vehicle and they want the factory gauges in. I just disconnect that harness. If I have to do repairs, such as that vehicle needs a dashboard cover because it's all cracked up, but that is everything you need in the aftermath of the Intellitronix. The front side of the Intellitronix is like that. It looks a little overwhelming. They have a money back guarantee. I think these refurbished ones are people actually going in and purchasing it and reading the manual and seeing all these wires, and it literally flips them out. But when you do the old wiring trick of making your own separator with your wire ties, zip ties, color coding each one, taking your time doing it, this is easier than playing with Lego, and it is quite fun. I will update another video as I go along with the progress. Thank you for watching.